Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili garlic sauce at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh red chilies, like Thai bird's eye or Fresno for that perfect heat. Also, prepare 10 to 12 cloves of fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. These simple items are the foundation of our delicious sauce. Now let's get our main ingredients ready. Start by washing and thoroughly drying your chilies, then remove their stems. Next, peel and roughly chop your 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Combine the prepared chilies and garlic in a food processor. Pulse them until they form a coarse, chunky mixture, but avoid overprocessing to maintain some texture. This step is crucial for the sauce's consistency. It's time to cook our sauce to perfection. Heat about 2 tablespoons of neutral oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add your chili and garlic mixture and saute it for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until fragrant. Then, stir in the 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let the sauce simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to thicken nicely. Once your chili garlic sauce has reached the desired consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This cooling step is important before storage. Transfer the cooled sauce into a clean, airtight jar. You can store this delicious homemade sauce in your refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 weeks. It's perfect for adding a spicy kick to almost any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.